penguin was standing on a water's edge when he looked up at an eagle soaring high above his head. He watched him with great admiration for a few minutes and then looked down at his own flippers with frustration. "That looks so cool. I wish I could fly in the air like an eagle," he thought to himself. Then, accepting the reality, he slided into the sea and started swimming away. The eagle looked down and saw the penguin swimming gracefully in the water. He watched him with similar admiration for a few moments and looked across his own wings with irritation. "That looks so cool. I wish I could swim in the water like a penguin," he thought to himself. Then, accepting the reality, catching another updraft, he started soaring away into the distance. A penguin is a penguin for a reason, and it's remarkably good at what it was created for. An eagle is an eagle for a reason, and it's remarkably good at what it was created for. And you are you for a reason and have the capacity to become remarkably good at what you're created for. Always remember that you're absolutely unique in your own way. You're so special. You're always precious. The sooner we accept this reality, the happier and more successful we will be. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.